I'll tell you one thing, it'll look good enough for the summer. I thought there might be some holes but it's not. It's solid. It all seems solid, but it is, it's being saved just in the nick of time. Plating. You know, you can get away with a lot. Okay, there's a start. Lose the rust, keep the plating. This header pipe is prepped for paint. I've cleaned it off with denatured alcohol and taped it off. You know, it looks pretty good the way it is, but it turns to rust very quickly. So it's going to need some sort of coating. There's no such thing as heat-resistant rattle can chrome paint. There is rattle can chrome paint, but nothing that will stand up to this type of header heat. So I have this silver engine paint. I'm going to touch it up with that, and it'll look a lot better, and it will preserve this pipe. And the rest of it looks pretty good. We'll see that later, but it's been cleaned up. All right, so here we go. I moved outdoors. Warm enough finally here in Connecticut. Let that dry. give it another coat. Hopefully I taped it off in a way that'll sort of blend in a little bit with the chrome. Anyway, it's better than rust. You know, we're looking for, you know, hopefully way better. Well, it is what it is, I guess. Anyway, it's protected. And the thing to remember is, it's a brown, ugly mess of rust. So, you know what? It'll look better from a distance, and it will also blend a little bit and not be so obvious once it heats up a few times. It gets a little bit weathered. Maybe I'll sand that down a little bit or something. Oh. That's kind of what it'll look like from a distance when it's mounted. Better. I could shape this a little bit maybe. We'll let it cure a little more. And then just sort of lightly sand the edges. Make it blend a little more. Yeah, you know what? It actually won't look too bad when it's in place. It's what it is. Needed to be done. There's no... I can't go have them re-chromed, so this is what we got.